Hi, I'm Mitchell Allard, new car sales executive at Yarra Valley and Croydon Toyota. I'm here today to show you through the all-new 8th generation Camry. Today we have the hybrid Ascent on board. The first thing you'll notice when you look at the vehicle is the whole new design. It's a much sleeker, sharper look, and it also has a much more prestige feel about it. Instantly we're drawn to the edgy new design, giving it a young and fresh look. As we come further back to the vehicle, you'll notice that the roofline has dropped 30mm, giving the vehicle a much more aggressive stance. Toyota have now incorporated their new global architecture into the vehicle, giving the body 30% more rigidity and also improving safety in the vehicle. You'll feel right at home in the brand new Camry, as it has a lowered seating position, which means that you actually feel a lot safer within the vehicle. First thing you'll be drawn to is obviously the steering wheel. Active cruise control is right at the tip of your fingers. This means that the vehicle will actually be able to control its own speed and keep you nice and safe. You have the active lane departure alert system. This is going to keep you within your lines and make sure that you're not drifting all over the road. You'll notice the vehicle comes with push button start. This means that you no longer need to turn any keys. Automatic high beams mean that you no longer have to turn high beams on and off. They'll do it all by themselves. The all-new Camry comes with an electric park brake. This means that there's no longer a handbrake. There is much more room for storage. The 7-inch touchscreen not only works for your radio, CD, USB and auxiliary, but it also displays things such as the reverse camera and actually what the vehicle is doing whilst you're driving, whether it's using the battery in the electric engine or the actual petrol engine to power the vehicle. It'll also show you when the vehicle is recharging itself. With the addition of dual zone climate control, there's no longer an argument over who gets to set the temperature, as both driver and passenger can have theirs set independently. As I've already touched on, the new Toyota Camry is extremely safe, with the added features of Toyota Safety Sense, such as lane departure alert system. As you're driving down the road, if you deviate from your lane without intention, the vehicle will alarm and then help correct the vehicle for you. It also has features such as active cruise control. This gives the car the ability to mimic the speed of the vehicle in front of you. Therefore, you no longer need to brake whilst driving along on the freeway. You'll also notice features such as our pre-crash alert system. What this does is, as a vehicle in front of you slams on its brakes, the vehicle will alert to you and then apply the brakes for you. This will help lessen the impact or help avoid incidents. With all new double wishbone rear suspension, we've improved boot space. The new Camry comes with 587 litres of capacity. Also, due to the fact that we've now redesigned the batteries, they can fit snugly under the passenger's rear seats. Toyota Hybrid Synergy Drive is nothing new. This technology has been around for over 20 years and is something to take a hold of. Toyota Synergy Drive basically combines both the engine and electric power drives. At low speeds, the electric engine will do the majority of the work, obviously getting the vehicle rolling, so therefore you're not using as much petrol. Then, when it believes that the vehicle is running out of steam, it'll kick onto the petrol engine, therefore taking the reins and giving you much more speed. Now, a lot of people tend to worry about the batteries. They're nothing to be feared of. They're made of nickel metal hydrate. This means if you were to crack the battery open, it's basically like sand inside. It's not going to explode or cause any damage to anyone inside the vehicle. They also come with an 8-year, 160,000 kilometre warranty. This means for the life of the vehicle, you're going to be safe at all times. Here at Toyota, we're often asked, where do I plug in a hybrid to recharge it? That's not an issue. The vehicle is actually capable of recharging itself, doesn't require any plugging in whatsoever. Whilst the petrol engine is running, not only does it recharge its standard battery, but it also recharges the hybrid battery as well. In periods of coasting, where the vehicle is carrying current speed, it'll recharge the battery. It will also take the kinetic energy generated by the brakes and use that to recharge the battery as well. In other words, this is an extremely smart car. Hybrids are not only 40% more efficient, but they are also extremely capable, offering a grander ride not only in terms of comfort, but cost as well. Servicing costs of the hybrid are no different to that of a petrol engine, with the entirety of the hybrid Synergy Drive being non-serviceable. Yes, that's right, it doesn't require any extra maintenance at all. It's designed to last the life of the vehicle. All Toyota Camry hybrids come with amazing Toyota service advantage, offering 5 services capped at $195. That's right, only one service every 15,000 kilometres or once a year, meaning more time for you to enjoy that amazing ride. With the all-new Toyota Advantage plan, the new Camry Hybrid has never been more affordable. Toyota Advantage plan works off the basis of the kilometres that you travel and a guaranteed buyback value system, meaning that you can pick up a vehicle for as little as $173 per week. Not only is this cheaper than the petrol variant, it also means that you're going to save more money as a hybrid uses less on fuel as well. So if you feel that you'll benefit from an all-new Toyota Camry Hybrid, come on down and see the team at Croydon and Yarra Valley Toyota.